everyone, it's Ariana, and since many people are staying home for Thanksgiving this year, a survey showed that 1 in 5 people are cooking Thanksgiving dinner for the first time. If you're one of them, have no fear, because for the next 2 days, I'm breaking down all your favorite Thanksgiving recipes step by step. First up, the perfect gooey baked mac and cheese. First, cook a pound of your favorite pasta according to the package directions. I use cavatappi, and then grate your cheese. It'll come out way better if you grate your own, so just trust me on that one. In a hot pan, melt half a stick of butter, and then add a half a cup of flour, and stir this around. This is your roux, and it's gonna help thicken the sauce. Then pour on 3 cups of milk and 1 cup of cream, stirring it around until it thickens and coats the back of the spoon. Then stir in about 4 cups of your favorite cheese. I use cheddar and Gruyere, and finish it off with a season of salt and pepper. If you like, you can stir your noodles straight into the sauce, but I love to layer it in the baking dish, alternating between sauce, noodles, and extra cheese. Top it off with panko breadcrumbs, which get super crunchy and golden in the oven, and then bake at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. I hope you join in on this